OnePlus is one of the most popular smartphone brands in the world. They have a reputation for producing top-of-the-line devices that are packed with features and offer a seamless user experience. One of their latest releases is the OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite 5G, which has been making waves in the smartphone industry. The OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite 5G comes in the stunning blue tie colorway, which is sure to turn heads. This device is perfect for those who want a phone that is both stylish and functional. It boasts 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, making it a great choice for anyone who needs a lot of storage space for their apps, photos, and videos. One of the standout features of the OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite 5G is its 5G connectivity. This means that users can enjoy lightning-fast internet speeds, making it perfect for streaming videos, downloading large files, and playing games online. The device also supports dual SIM cards, which is great for anyone who travels frequently or needs to separate their personal and work phone numbers. The display on the OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite 5G is also impressive. It has a 6.43-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. This means that users can enjoy vibrant and detailed visuals, whether they are watching a movie or scrolling through social media. The camera on the OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite 5G is also noteworthy. It has a triple camera setup on the rear, which includes a 64-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2-megapixel monochrome lens. This allows users to take high-quality photos in a variety of different situations. The device also has a 16-megapixel front-facing camera, which is perfect for taking selfies or making video calls. One of the best things about the OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite 5G is its battery life. It has a 4,500 mAh battery, which is more than enough to last a full day with heavy usage. The device also supports Warp Charge 30T+, which means that it can charge from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. In terms of software, the OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite 5G runs on Oxygen OS 11, which is based on Android 11. This means that users can enjoy all the latest features of the Android operating system, as well as a range of additional features that are exclusive to OnePlus devices. These include the ability to customize the device's interface and gesture controls, as well as access to a range of useful apps and services. Overall, the OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite 5G is a great device that offers a lot of value for its price. It has a stunning design, powerful performance, and a range of features that make it perfect for anyone who needs a reliable smartphone. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who loves technology, the OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite 5G is definitely worth considering.